So, your colleague, they transferred you their work estimation for the project and the tasks in which they are involved. But you notice that sometimes there is a bit of confusion between work and duration. So, I'm Kristen from Vision 6D, and this is what we are going to clarify. There is a relation that exists between duration, work, and units. Duration is the interval of time between the start and the end of a task. The work is the number of hours that were really spent on this task. So to illustrate this, if you have a task that you start on Monday and you finish it on Friday, then the duration is 5 days. But if all in all, every day you could just work 2 hours on the task, during those 5 days, it's a total of 10 hours, and those 10 hours are 10 hours of work. So in that situation, your assignment to this task is you 2 hours a day, which is at 25%. Those 25% are the units, 25% of the person allocated to this task. In that project, I have a task which is the design 1. Before to go any further, I need to add a column. Insert a column and we'll insert the column work. Like that, we have here work that is defined. So the designer estimated the work duration to 10 hours. 10 hours of work, and will assign a resource which is Jack. And Jack can only work 25% on that task. So you see here it is added Jack at 25%, and it will take from Monday to Friday to complete that task of 10 hours of work. And you see here that MS Project, according to the formula we have here up, calculated the 5 days that it will last. Now we swapped our formula to calculate work. So work equals duration multiplied by unit. So I'm in the case here where I have a design, and I know that the duration will be 5 days. 5 days, and I will have here my resource, which is Jack. And we see that the work calculated is those 10 hours. So project is working in a certain order. First, it will go for duration. Then it will calculate work, and at the end, if it can't, with the units. So there is this order. This explains why you see, when you fill in some of the information, that others are completed. This file is available on our website vision6d.com in the download section. Like that, you can play with it directly. You might notice that you can have some over-allocation, because here Jack is twice at the same time working on 2 different things. So this you can correct it, but it doesn't really matter for the example. I hope that you had a good time, that you learned it, and any questions are welcome. You appreciated it, so thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and all what is left to me is to wish you a really good time and see you soon. Bye bye.